Hey guys, so here I want to talk to you about ankles, and particularly ankles that you don't trust. If you've got an ankle that you just keep spraining, you just keep rolling, you're not able to handle uneven ground or doing anything quick, particularly to the side, and it's become more and more of a problem, then this video is for you. Here I'm going to help you figure out how to stop rolling your ankle and then work your way towards being more and more confident, being able to stick that leg and take on whatever level of activity that you'd like to do without having a problem come of it. Alright, so why exactly do you keep spraining your ankles? Well, once you've had a single sprain, then the likelihood of you having another, it just goes through the roof. And once you've had a second one, so on and so forth. But having an ankle sprain does not automatically set you up to have an ankle that you chronically distrust, that always rolls whenever you just step to the side. So there is a difference between the person that has one, it's big and swollen, it's bad, but they recover from it, and the person that has the same event, and then it just leads to them having an ankle that, well, is not able to help them, and they're not able to trust it. So what's the difference? And the difference between the person that's got a one and done and the one that it just keeps coming back is that folks that chronically sprain their ankles, well, you live on the outside of your feet. You're not able to really get your foot down flat on the ground, and with that, you're not able to get your body steady and centered over that foot even when it does try to get on the ground. So there's a little bit of a problem with you prefer, and automatically go to the outside of your feet, and that's something that can be retrained, but there's also some problems up north where your hips aren't able to shift, your torso isn't able to shift, and your neck and head isn't able to shift enough so when you get onto that single leg, your weight is able to center through it, and you're able to get your foot flat on the ground, and then you're able to transfer force back and forth. You're a little tight up above. And so what I'm going to go through are a series of activities starting from the easiest to take on to harder and harder activities to get you more and more athletic. These are activities that are going to allow you to flesh out how to get your foot flat on the ground and then work on being able to shift your body up above it and address what maybe needs to change to make that happen, to make that possible, and to make it more habitual so you've just got it and you can get on with the rest of your life.